If your 306 takes many attempts to start and then still runs rough, or if you have to press the accelerator pedal just to get the car started, then this might be caused by a faulty idle pressure valve. Luckily, they are easy to replace. To replace them, all you need to do is remove one vacuum hose and relocate one breather hose, unplug the unit, and then it's just a matter of removing 2 Phillips head screws from the actual unit. When you do order a replacement part, try your best to get an original Magneti Marelli part. To reinstall it, simply put it in place, make sure that the rubber O-ring is on the new part, and then tighten up the 2 screws. Place the hoses back where they were before and hook up your battery. Because it is a sensor, you will have to reset your ECU. Alrighty, so I've replaced the idle pressure valve and I've reset the ECU, which means unplugging the battery for 10 minutes and then leaving the ignition to a second click for another 10 minutes. Time to hopefully start the car up. Ooh. So this car has been idling for the past 10 minutes. I think the engine fan has kicked in to cool down the engine, so now it's time to go for a quick drive and then get some takeaways. It's definitely a lot smoother. This is such a fun car, I love it. So in a previous video I showed that the car wasn't actually starting when I turned the key. I've since found a solution, and that's because of a, let's just say a bad connection with the starter motor. And the fix is pretty simple. All you need to do is get something in between the 3rd and 4th plenum intake and give the starter motor a few hard taps. However, I would not recommend doing it with a spanner, because as you can see here, it arced when the spanner touched the battery connection of the starter motor.